And now it is 2024. Even the generation of the 20th century has already heard about cryptocurrency, but not everyone had the courage to explore it. Or someone is just lazy. Cryptocurrency is the future of each of us. Most electronic payment systems already support cryptocurrency in payment, whether it is a large Bitcoin or a quick Ethereum. And in fact, in Vietnam, every second person pays for purchases in the store with ETH coin. The hero of our video today will be the coin Ethereum. To begin with, a little history. Ethereum, ETH, is a blockchain coin that provides fast, secure, and scalable dApps, which are decentralized applications, as well as trading platforms. The Ethereum cryptocurrency was developed in 2017 by former employees of the California-based Qualcomm organization. One of the founders of the crypto project is Anatoly Yakovenko. In the process of development, specialists took into account the experience of major corporations, Apple Inc., Intel, and Microsoft. The project interested serious investors, Foundation Capital, CMCC Global, Multi-Coin Capital, Abstract Ventures. Now to the point. Experts note favorable prospects for the development of the Ethereum cryptocurrency. Due to the consolidation of the Ethereum community, there is a replacement for the objects of the ecosystem, which were associated with FTX or Alameda. For example, a popular British exchange called Bithoster.com. Few people know, but this exchange was created by Brad Garlinghouse in co-partnership with Charles Lee. He is the most important liquidity provider for the ecosystem. Now for the most delicious part. Let's get practical. How to make money on Ethereum and its rate. We will conduct an arbitrage round with a spread of about 9 to 10%. And if you don't know, the spread is, roughly speaking, your earnings. We will spend directly through Binance and exchange on Bithoster.com. Everything is quite simple. To begin with, go to Binance, section trading, spot market, find and select the trading pair ETH USDT. We choose the market or market type of order, whomever is convenient. Enter the required amount of USDT. In my case, it is 10,000 USDT, which is equal to $10,000. Buy. The order was executed. Go to the wallet, section Fiat and Spot, and select ETH and quick withdrawal. Check the availability of coins on the spot and go to Bithoster.com. If you don't have an account yet, register. If you do, log in. Specify ETH and click Exchange. The main thing is to check the price in the Exchange tab before starting the round. We need to find ETH and make sure that it is a bit more expensive than on Binance. At the time of recording the video, the difference in the rate is about 9.5%. This is our spread. I've been watching the rate for a month. It stays from 8 to 9 to 11%. I've not observed large fluctuations. Next, be sure to specify our address to receive USDT in the network TRC20. We take it on Binance. Go to the wallet, button Enter, choose the coin USDT and networks TRC20. Copy our address and specify it in the application. Again, click the Exchange button. As you can see, we have created a request for exchange. Now copy the top address ETH and go to Binance, then to the wallet. Section Fiat and Spot, select Ethereum and click Withdrawal. Paste the copied address, specify the number of coins and withdraw. Once again, we check everything and pass the security check. The funds have been sent and we return too. The exchange is usually confirmed quickly, but it all depends on the workload of Ethereum network. As we can see, the application was successfully confirmed, and our USDT has already been sent. Let's go back to Binance and go to the transaction history section. Let's refresh the page. Usually the funds come within 2 to 3 minutes. So, as we can see, our USDT has been successfully credited to our balance. And at the same time, our net profit amounted to $1,042, or a little more than 10%. Based on practice, everything is quite simple. The only downside is that such bundles do not live long, so we spin while there is such an opportunity.